Would you believe this photo was taken on an iPhone using nothing more than a bowl of peanut M&Ms? Hi, my name is Cara and you're watching Platypod TV, where innovation never sleeps. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a fun, advertising-style photo like this at home, using simple lighting, some cool Platypod gear, and my iPhone. Today's shot is inspired by advertising photography, bright colours, shiny textures, and dramatic lighting. I always thought you needed expensive cameras to make this kind of shot. Turns out you don't. You don't actually need a studio or a big camera. This was shot on a table at home. First, let's set up the iPhone. I'm using a Platypod Extreme clamped to the table so my phone doesn't move at all. Once the camera is fixed, everything gets easier. On the phone, I switched to the 2x lens. It looks more natural and avoids wide-angle distortion. When the two crosses on the screen are aligned, it means the phone is completely level. Instead of moving the phone, I move the bowl and the camera inside it. That way my framing stays perfect. Now, I'll add and adjust the lighting. I'm using a Panel Pro LED light mounted on a gooseneck, which lets me place the light exactly where I want it. In adverts, the light usually comes from the top left, so the shadows fall to the bottom right. That is just an unwritten rule. If I want more flexibility, I can also mount the light on a Platypod Delta using an elbow and a clamp. I've also turned off the room lights so they don't mix with the LED. The final touch, lightly spray the M&Ms with water to make them shiny. If you want the droplets to last longer, you can mix half water and half glycerin. That's something my dad taught me. To control the shadows, I use a piece of white card as a reflector. White card brightens shadows, and black card makes them deeper and more dramatic. You can even hold the card in place using another Platypod Delta with an elbow and a clamp, so everything stays hands-free. And this is the final image, shot on an iPhone. If you want to try this yourself, I'll list all the Platypod gear in the description below. And if you want to learn more about what we do, take a look at the other videos on this channel. And yes, we did eat the M&Ms afterwards. And that's it. A great picture with very little effort. Now, if you want to learn more about photography, make sure to check out the Camera Shake podcast with in-depth conversations with some of the best photographers on the planet. Check out the Platypod user group on Facebook to see what other Platypodsters are doing. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.